Okay, so in my world, they went with 75, and we're ready to go ahead and turn this into a confirmed sales order. It's easy enough to do in Odoo by hitting the confirm button, and you'll notice three things happen right away. The first is a delivery order comes up and a manufacturing order. This means that I need to manufacture this trifold brochure, but because it's in here and I've got components that need to build, I also need to purchase some of this. So let's go see what the purchase order looks like. Okay, I made a typo. I thought I bought 75 reams, but instead I bought 78. So you can see, though, that Odoo automatically created a purchase order for me. But sometimes you're going to buy it from alternative suppliers, right? That's what raw materials kind of do. We need to find the best price we can in today's kind of competitive age. So I'm going to click on alternatives, and I'm going to add a couple of alternatives to this purchase order. I'm going to add one for Stratton paper. And when I do that, I'll pick Peter paper here. It basically brings those items over. And then I'm going to create a third alternative from Fairfield Mills, and grab that information as well. So very quickly inside of the system, I've got one master PO 58 out there for Papermart, and then I've got two alternatives for Fairfield Buyer and for Stratton Paper. I'm going to send this by email out to the customer, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. Here's my email with the RFQ out to Papermart, and you can kind of see this information here. In real life, I'm not going to give them the ability to accept or decline. I'm going to do it myself. I should have fixed this email template, but that's easy enough to do so that when the vendor gets this, they're going to say that they're okay with this, and once they do, then we're going to get to choose which vendor we want. At this point, Papermart has the cheapest price and the best lead time, so we're probably just going to go with Papermart, but we did get to send it to 3 vendors just to see what the story was. All right, so back in Odoo, I'm going to go ahead